Hello guys, and welcome to episode 1 of Pisaytube, a super simple learning guide to master the art of KHub. For today's video, we will be teaching you about how to log in and how to navigate this learning management system easily. First off is to log on to your PSHS IRC email using the Gmail application or Gmail website. You will receive an email from the PSHS IRC KHub admin or khub@irc.pshs.edu.ph. This email will contain the login information which you will be using to access KHub. It will contain your username, password, and other necessary instructions in order for you to establish your account. Now that you are all ready, click the link provided in the email to log in to KHub. Then, input the necessary information as indicated in the email. Congratulations! You have now successfully logged in to KHub.
Now, as per instructions from the email, you need to change your temporary password into a new one. To do this, you should click the drop-down arrow beside the person icon and then find the profile button. Click this and then find another drop-down arrow which can be found beside the gear icon and then find the change password button. Click this and then you can change your current password into a new one by following the instructions of what must be in the password that you will be making. Click the Save Changes button if you are done filling up the boxes. And there you go, you have successfully changed your password.
You can click the uppermost button in the left part of the website to go back to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will be able to see the different courses or subjects that you are enrolled in. Other parts of the website includes: number 1 is the site home, which you can access the different course categories of the different grade levels, as well as other services such as the student services for both the SYP and FAYP, and training or other services such as the UPCAT review for the grade 12 students. Meanwhile, on the right side of the website, you can click this arrow to see your timeline, private files, other online users, and your calendar, which its uses will be explained in the next episodes to follow. So that's the end of episode 1. We hope that you were able to learn how to log into your KHub account as well as navigate some parts of the website already. For questions and clarifications in this episode, please feel free to leave a comment down below so that we will be able to answer them as soon as possible. And subscribe to our channel as we will be releasing other episodes in the next few days. Thank you for watching!